feel like you got stuff figured out? No, 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 no. You're finna be reminded that you don't.
One of them ones.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Shayla. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. So today, this is gonna be a weekend vlog. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. It's currently almost 10 o'clock. We're about to go axe throwing. I've never been axe throwing before, so this is gonna be a new experience.
I don't know if that changed your mind or anything.
What's up, y'all? So today is Saturday and we're about to go enjoy the sun. We have a reservation at Pink Door, which I'm super excited about. I booked this reservation literally like a month ago because they're just super busy, but I'm glad we booked it on this day because it's 69 degrees outside and we're like, Pink Door is literally across the street from Pike Place Market, so we can walk around, enjoy the sun, maybe go look at the water, and yeah, just enjoy ourselves because we see, I don't know, get 69 60s weather in March, so we're definitely gonna enjoy
You press a button and just laps it.
Oh baby, hold me close.
Good morning, y'all. Today is Monday. It is currently like 5:15. Usually I'm at the gym by 5:15, but like I was trying to like record for y'all, so let's take our pre-workout. What's up, y'all? So it's a bit later, it's going on 1 o'clock and we're about to get us some lunch. I didn't cook last night, so We gotta eat out, and I'm starving because I had a hard workout this morning. So we're gonna get Chipotle. It's about 10 minutes away from my job, so that's doable. Yeah, we'll definitely be going grocery shopping after work. We'll probably go to Trader Joe's, get like some salmon or some type of meat, and just like a few other things. Ooh, I look nuts. What's up, y'all? So today is Saturday. We're on our way to the gym. Gonna get like a quick workout in. This one's gonna be a like arms slash basically upper body, because my legs are done for the week. And then I have some errands to run. I need to go to Fred Meyer's, get a couple things. Need to go to Target for a return. Ulta, return, and I need to, well, an exchange, and then I also want to buy some like strip lashes until I get my extensions again. We're taking a break right now, clearly, and I look nuts, but I like wearing a hat to the gym. I don't know, it just like, it just makes me feel private while I'm working out, if that makes sense. I don't know, I see why people wear, but I don't know if I'm making sense, but I do see why people wear hats to the gym. Bottoms up. Ooh. So this is the protein, or excuse me, the oatmeal I like to eat because it's only 100 calories. And this is the yogurt I like to get. I like to get the 20 grams of protein one, but they don't have it. But it tastes pretty sweet, and I'm not gonna do it, but I am tempted to get me some chips. I wanna try this, but this is 190 calories. And this is 90 calories, so I think I'm gonna stick with this. I didn't know they had samples at Fred Meyer's, but this is buttercream cake, which is my favorite. So I'm looking at these MAC bronzers. This one's pretty. Like that one. So I guess her hint notes is Star Jasmine, Golden Amber, and Vanilla Muscatcore. It smells good, but it's nothing crazy. So for lashes, I think I'm gonna get these ones. They're pretty. What's up, y'all? So about to go have a bite to eat with my friend. Me and her, we used to be co-workers when I was in college. So yeah, I'm excited to catch up with her. She's about to move to Atlanta, which is super exciting. So I'm probably gonna have to come visit her. But we haven't seen each other in like a year or two. It's been a minute. So excited to catch up. What's y'all's favorite Usher song? He's gonna be coming here in like November, and I haven't bought tickets, but baby, we are going, okay? For sure. After he pulled off that Super Bowl halftime, oh yeah, I'm going. But I have a few favorite Usher songs, so it's gonna be an Usher song. It's gonna be an Usher turn up right now. Oh yeah, y'all. Before we get into that, why didn't my check engine light come on? Like, why? I feel like stuff never ends. When you feel like you got stuff figured out, no. You're finna be reminded that you don't have it figured out. Okay, because why? I ended up taking it to Jiffy Lube because it was like 1,000 miles until I needed a new oil change. So I was like, let me just go and get an oil change. And the guy like resetted my car, so the check engine light went off. But he said if you, in a couple days, if it comes back on, then you need to go to the dealership or something. And when I called the dealership, because I called the dealership way before going to Jiffy Lube, and the dealership said, yeah, it's going to be about $200 for us to diagnose it and tell you what the problem is. And then whatever the problem is going to cost more money. And I'm just like, still have warranty on my car. And so I also like called them to ask him like, what's my warranty? They transferred me to like the financing department so that I could see like what my warranty was on my car. Because I remember when I bought this car, it said it was either you have 5 years, or if you hit 100,000 miles, then you're not covered. But within that time period, you are covered. So I was asking the lady, I was like, yeah, what's like my warranty? And she's like, it looks like you don't have any warranty. And I'm like, huh? Yes, I do. And I was like, I remember that briefly when this guy sold me this car. And she's like, okay, let me look. And like I explained to her, I was like, this is what I remember. So can you like look in your system, or like what's tea? Because I remember that. There's no reason why I remember that blatantly in my head. I'm not making stuff up, okay? Basically. And so she's like, oh yeah, you do have a warranty. I'm like, you was finna tell me I don't have a warranty. And I was finna, and what if I came out there and it was something wrong with my engine? You guys would have been running me some money because I'm under warranty. Like, and the lady, she was just like a total, like so I had to get her straight. Like, I'm usually very, very nice to people because I've been there. I've been customer facing, all of that. But like the way she was just like very short with me and was like, well, I don't know, it doesn't look like you have any warranty. And when I told her, she's like, oh yeah, I guess you do have warranty under your engine and transmission. I'm like, yeah, thank you. But I was just like, I'm asking you all these questions not because I'm like getting a kick out of it, but because my check engine light is on. Why do you think I'm calling you? And she's like, oh, okay, well maybe you should just like test your gas cap or something. That might be the case. And I'm just like, okay, I will try that. But I just end up saying, okay, thank you. And I hung up on her. Like, no, don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me because you don't like your job. Like, no. I was being very polite when I first started talking to her until she just like didn't even know what she was talking about. Anyway, I say that to say is adulting sucks. My favorites.
Can you handle it if I go there, baby, with you? We gon' set it off, we gon' tear it up. Everything that I've been doing is all bad. I'll be a groovy baby. Cause you're my superstar.
Yeah, I don't know. Trying to spend less money on all maintenance stuff.
It's a